This dance by Zockjat is a lot of fun, and I think you guys will enjoy it too. Thank you for requesting it. Make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, give it a thumbs up, and let's get into it. For the first few counts, you're going to do whatever you want to do. He just does this like this turn and just feels out the music, and then you jump open on 7, yeah? 7 and 8 and. So what is it that I'm doing? Like my arm whips down and my hip turns to the front, yeah? And your heel goes out. And pa, ka, yeah? Make sure it's very relaxed. Don't make it too hard, yes? So when I count it in, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and I'm going to jump open, yeah? So don't make your legs too close. 7 and 8, and, yes? Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. From your 7 and 8, and 1. See how I'm leaning a little bit to the left? I'm going to lean more to the right. And by right, I mean right leg. Yeah? So I'm leaning back a little bit, and then I lean to the front because I'm going to push it. And for this part, practice this with me. Like we're going to jump and make sure you're on your toes. So we're going to go open, cross it, open, cross it. So you lean more to the right, in the middle, lean more to the left leg, in the middle. So you're supposed to be able to do this. Jump on one leg, open it up, jump on the other leg, and open it up. So your leg should be able to be in the air. This is how far you lean on that leg, yeah? So you open, 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 open. If you're a little bit too much on this leg that both feet on the ground, you need to lean more, yes? So let's do it from 7, yeah? So we have 7 and 8 and 1. You're going to push your arm, yeah? Punch actually, yeah? Then you're gonna open it up again and punch again, yeah? So you open, punch, open, punch, open, punch, open, punch, open, punch. So this comes from like a old school hip hop move, yes? This also includes a bit of a push with your upper body. So watch this. So when we go open, see how I'm leaning to the front? You're going to lean back and lean back. Lean, lean. So this is what happens. Push, push, push. At the same time, when you jump, this prevents it to be just too stiff. Boom, pa, boom, pa. That's how you get that groove, yeah? Because he dances a lot of hip hop, and that includes this rocking, this motion, yes? So, when we've had 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and, yeah? So you push with your arms. Whop, 2. And then we're gonna open again. And then you're going to grab your crutch and then close. Yes? So we have 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And we're going to get into that crying part. Yes, let's do it again. So we have 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, get ready to do that crying part. Yes, let's do it one more time. I'm going to count from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Yeah, and get ready to, when you do this, just don't lift your arms. But when I do this, I pretty much prep my body, make it light to go into the next part. Yeah? Let's do it one more time, a little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and. Yes, and you don't have to lift your head per se, but I do that to give that up feeling so that you go down. Yeah? Da, da, da. Yes? All right. So when we have had and, you're going to go left, right, left. Yeah? Left, right, left. And you're going to have your arms. My wrists are already here, so I can do this. Wah, wah, wah. So, you know when, when you're like, woo, when you're like teasing somebody, that's how it is. Yeah? Cry high. So pay attention to my legs because they're not like this, but my knees are a little bit inwards. Yeah? Cry high. Yes, so you're gonna go cry ha. Cry ha. So you're going to go pa. So when you have had this pa, there's going to be like a throw. Yeah? Pa, throw. Ha. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So when you do this part, 1, 2, 3. The last one, 1, 2, 3, is going to get into that motion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have left, right, right. Yeah? Left, right. And then we're going to get into this part. So we have left, right. So this motion, we need to practice because or else you're going to look very weird doing this. So when you do this move, imagine having your hips going to the front when you walk. Front, and front. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1. And you keep doing this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and right, left, and right, left, and right, left, and right, left. That's how you're going to get into this. So practice this because when we do pa, you need to be able to fall into that feeling. Do you understand what I'm saying? Ha. Yeah, so that you don't think about, oh, how is this done? This is pretty much just a groove. Yeah, ha. So let's do it from slowly from the beginning. So we have 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and cry ha. So when we do this step, right, left, right, you're going to get ready. So you step right, left, bring right under your body so that you're going to get this clap, and then we're going to get into this part. We're almost there. So let's do and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and clap. Yeah? So let me explain this. Because when we have 1, 2, 3, and there's a roll clap. Yeah, you're like here. Yeah? It's kind of mocking with somebody. Yes? So you're like, yeah. Yes? So let it very loose. And this is for pretty much the whole dance. Be very relaxed with it. Don't try too hard. So we have and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. And then we're going to get into this part. Let's do it again. So we have and cry, ti, me smile, chiki da, he, bi da. We're almost there. So let's do it slowly from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2. Yes? So pay attention to when we have the ha, and. So the 1, 2, 3, and pa. 1, 2, 3, and pa. Let's do that slowly. So we have 1, 2, 3, and pa. 1, 2, 3, and pa. So this last step gets you there. 1, 2, 3, and pa. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, and pa, pa. Jiggy, jiggy. Yes? One more time from the beginning. Then we move on. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2. Yes? So when we have the clap, clap, step, this, don't make this too big. Yeah? You step here, and then you're going to grab your pants if you want, or a shirt, or just have your hand here. And that's going to be like this. Tick, tick, tick. Chicky, chicky, chick. Chicky, chicky, chick. Nick with the legs. Chicky, chicky, chick. Yeah? So you have chicky, chicky, chick. And then you're going to jump left, right, left. And this is almost like crib walking. But we're not doing that. So when you've had the cheeky, cheeky, tea, you're going to go left, right, left. Yeah? Left, right, left. So you're going to go lower, lower, lower. Yeah? Your arms are going next to your body. So you have cheeky, cheeky, tea, ha, ha, ha. Yeah? You jump left, right, left. And more on the toes. Make yourself light. Yeah? Cheeky, cheeky, tea, ha, ha, ha. Yeah? Cheeky, cheeky, tea, ha, ha, ha. And then you're going to get a Harlem shake. Ha. Yes, let me explain the Harlem shake. The Harlem shake, I made a tutorial. I think it's, I forgot the name. But I'll add a link to it. Harlem shake is, and we're going to do the simplified version, because this is a technique that's very hard. So what's going to happen, you're going to go left, right. So you're going to go left to the right, left to the right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right. My legs, preferably, I would have your knees in, so you can make it look more shaky. Yes? You could also do it like this, but I want you to do it with your knees here. So when you jump, 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 automatically, this happens. Yeah? So take your time with that, but I won't get angry if you put your toes to the front. Yeah? But eventually, get it here. Okay, so then your upper body. Your torso, when you go to that side, to the left, it goes the opposite. So right, left, right, left. So this is what happens. Yeah? So when we have T, 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 left, right, left, right, left, right, left, T, T, right, T, T. So this is what happens. So to the right, to the left, to the right, left, to the right, left. And you can use your shoulders with it too. Yeah? Kikiti takata. So when we've had jump, 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 pa pa da, pa pa da. Yeah? Chikiti, chikiti. Pa, pa, boom, pa. Pa, pa, boom, pa. So we're gonna go left, right, and ha. Yeah? Left, right, and ha. So the right one doesn't finish. Yeah? Kikiti, cha, boom, pa. So let me explain this. Because this is the lock-in from light feet. Yeah? You're going to reach in the back and smash it down. Yeah? This move is at the end of a combination when you dance light feet. Yeah? You have your pa 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 ka, or you just lock it in. It's like with a powerful move. Yes? So you jump open, and this is not flat-footed. It's light, like it's called light feet. Yeah? Light. Yes, and you close it. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, so open, ah, And we're going to do back, boom. Yeah, so make sure it's on the front of the foot. Yes? So, we've had the cry, high, high. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, click, click, click. So you click, 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 and then you go 1, 2, 3, and shake, shake, and bam. Yes? So we're gonna go over it, don't worry. Let's pick it up from this part again. So you have cry, high, high, wah, ha, ha, and clap, clap, pa, 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 wah, 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 and pa, pa, bam, bam. Yeah? Pa, 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 da, da, ah, ah. Wah, 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 ah, 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 ah. And make sure you go low, 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 ha, ha, ah, ah. Yeah? Because you jump. And even, like, you could actually already start putting your knees a little bit in when you do this. Jump, when you do these jumps. Ha, ha, ha. See, you're already there. You don't have to think about it anymore. And you're there. And then you're done with it. Yes? So, let's go over it slowly from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Tiki tika boom ba. Yes? Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and cry high, ba ba ba, smile, tiki tiki da, ha ha ha, ra tiki da, bam bam. All right? So, with the music, you can practice slowly and then build it up faster until you really feel like you got it. In the description, there's a link. You can click it, you can practice, take all the time you need, and also don't forget to drink enough water, because as you can see, I'm sweating, yes? So let's go and have some fun.